Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play that Christmas classic Feliz Navidad and how to play it on a chromatic harmonica. Except this time we'll be looking at how to play it an octave higher than what we did in my last tutorial. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 7, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, blow into 8, breathe in through 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 7, breathe in through 9, blow into 8, breathe in through 7, and blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Breathe in through 7 3 times. Blow into 7 3 times. Breathe in through 6 twice. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 5, blow into 9 4 times. Breathe in through 9. Blow into 8 twice. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. And breathe in through 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 9 4 times. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 7 twice. Blow into 7. Blow into 6. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5. So let's move on to phrase 8. Breathe in through 9. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8 twice. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 9. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonic using tabs, please check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.